Hi everyone, my name is Craig Powell and I'm from eXp Realty, and today I am pleased to present 818 Dover Road in Dieppe. If you're looking for that property that's out in the country but still close to the city and all its amenities, then this could be the home for you. And it boasts a ton of features. First of all, it has 3 bedrooms on the main level, a spacious kitchen, bathroom, living room, dining room. Moving downstairs, there's a non-conforming bedroom. There is a full rec room, laundry room, and even more storage. Moving outside, you have a deck for watching those sunsets. You have tons of parking. You can park your RVs, boats, cars, anything you want, and have space to spare. There's a fenced-in area for your dogs. There's a baby barn for even more storage. And the highlight of the property is a huge powered shop, which has a lot of mixed uses and is perfect for the hobbyists and the family. If this seems like it's checking off a lot of boxes, reach out to me today or your favorite realtor and hang in for the slideshow coming up next.